All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the motion tracking workspace. Okay, so I'm going to do Window, Workspace, Motion Tracking. Okay, so with this gives us a different look and feel than the previous workspace, obviously, which is a minimal, I call it the focus workspace, but it's really a minimal workspace where you don't have all these panels showing up. It's just the source and the timeline. And with this one, which is the motion tracking, it gives you focus on motion tracking. Okay, so you can utilize all these tools here. And it just, like I said, think of workspaces as a template. Okay, so you have 5 templates of whatever you're working on, and they're stored in 5 different spots. Okay, and you click on one and then you get a different template. That's really what workspaces are. And like I said, this gives you the option for tracker, content aware fill, and all this other stuff down here to really be able to do your motion tracking. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.